Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at the market site in Times Square, we have Jarrett Bauer. He's the co-founder and CEO of Health Recovery Solutions, all the way from Hoboken, New Jersey, or practically our neighbor. We're here to discuss creating the new standard of care with a telehealth platform. This is interesting, a subsector in the healthcare market, $12 billion telemedicine.
Yep.
So tell us more about that.
Yeah, so at Health Recovery Solutions, we provide software to leading medical centers to engage patients to be proactive in their disease self-management and to improve clinical outcomes.
$12 billion is a subsector of the healthcare market. That sounds like it's a lot. Do you expect future growth there?
Yeah, it's actually a huge growing market, and it's only going to get bigger as time goes on.
Well, it's also because healthcare, you're shifting to a value-based care model. What is that?
So of the 1.4 billion outpatient instances, 42% of those can be addressed with remote monitoring or virtual care.
And remote patient monitoring, that is what HRS is focused on.
That is what we are about.
All right, so are there nurses that come to visit, or is it technology-based? What does that look like?
Yep, so we provide software on tablets, and then it tracks like medication, weight, exercise, and is linked in with the most advanced wireless peripherals. And then we have mobile apps for family members, mobile apps for caregivers, so that they're involved in the formal care process for that loved one.
Can they also provide diagnostics? The home healthcare providers, are they able to, what if you need lab testing? So you can run diagnostics, or how does that work?
So we're mostly about tracking the biometrics. Like right now we're adding an ECG and stethoscope, and then we have a whole bunch of biometrics that run back so the nurses can proactively see if they have to intervene.
Now, do you think this technology can actually help hospitals cut readmission rates? And if so, what does that mean? Does it help healthcare consumers?
Yeah, so right now we have 150 medical centers that use HRS. We've monitored over 100,000 patients. We've been able to have that like 50 to 70% reduction in readmissions with some of our top medical centers. So it's definitely there, it's definitely happening.
And it's also good for consumers like you and I, younger, healthier, helps keep insurance rates down. I would imagine that's the overall goal in having patients be more proactive with their healthcare.
Yep, no, definitely.
All right, exciting news to announce today, the most important part here. Edison Partners, you got a $10 million investment into the company.
Yeah, so extremely excited about it for us. Solving clients' problems is always at the forefront of what we're doing, so we're just going to continue to invest in our product, also add salespeople, add marketing, so that we can be the best company that we can be.
All right, well, thanks so much for joining us at MarketSite. And thank you for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.